All right, moving on to matters trade now. Kenya and the European Union have announced the finalization of the political negotiations on the economic partnership agreement. Now, the agreement will enable Kenyan goods to that is duty-free and quota-free to access the European market. Now, the EU accounts for 20% of Kenya's export market. Though the balance of trade is in EU's favor. Now, Kenya's exports over 195 billion shillings worth of products to the EU, exporting close to 300 billion shillings worth of goods from the EU. Now, President William Ruto says Kenya will be looking to increase the amount of processed goods exported under the framework by encouraging the value addition and processing of goods.
During the course of my visit, I have engaged with businesses from both Kenya and the EU, and there is a strong appetite for boosting trade and investment partnerships on both sides. With this deal in place, we have the right platform to do so. Kenya's exports to the EU will be tariff-free from the day one after its entry into force. This means full and unhindered access to the EU market. This creates strong incentives for trade and for EU companies to invest in Kenya. Indeed, this agreement provides wider incentives for increasing foreign direct investment. It is also accompanied by the trade-related development cooperation. The goal here is to support job creation and sustainable economic growth, with a particular focus on micro, small and medium-sized enterprises.
The agreement will grant Kenyan products immediate duty-free, quota-free entry into the EU from the day it comes into effect. And in recognition of our varied stage of progress along the development journey, products from the EU will progressively receive duty reductions over a period of 25 years. Beyond trade, the agreement is also designed to stimulate investment and manufacturing. Consequently, Kenya is prepared to strengthen its manufacturing sector in order to enhance our exports to EU globally. We are finally ready to take our place as a global player in export-led manufacturing and services. I encourage European companies that import goods from Kenya to invest in value addition here and export finished value-added products out of Kenya.